top 10 cryptocurrencies a week ago. This video gives price analysis for BTC, ETH, BNB, ADA, Doge, XRP, DOT, UNI, BCH, LTC, the top 10 leading cryptocurrencies in the world. Let's get started. Selling is taking place near key overhead resistance levels in Bitcoin and altcoins, but a shallow pullback could signal that more upside is on the way. The price of Bitcoin rose slightly at the start of this week, but data from Glassnode suggests that new BTC investors who arrived late to the party are panicking and selling their holdings. This shift in crypto assets from speculators and momentum chasers to long-term investors is encouraging. This lays the groundwork for the next bull run to begin, but it may not happen right away. Institutions are unlikely to buy aggressively at the moment, causing the price of Bitcoin to rise, because there is still the possibility of accumulating at low levels. As a result, the range-bound action could last a few more days. According to Forbes, a partnership between New York Digital Investment Group (NYDIG) and enterprise payment company NCR could allow 650 banks and credit unions in the United States to offer Bitcoin trading services to more than 24 million customers. This move is likely to attract a slew of new crypto investors, which is a good thing in the long run. Will Bitcoin and other altcoins face selling pressure and fall below their recent lows, or will buyers push the price higher than the current highs? To find out, look at the charts of the top 10 cryptocurrencies. BTC, USDT. On June 29, Bitcoin broke above the 20-day exponential moving average, $35,196, indicating a positive trend. This indicated that traders were attempting to push the price above the 20-day EMA rather than taking profits at that level. Daily chart of BTC, USDT. The bears, on the other hand, haven't been able to keep the price above the 20-day EMA. This indicates that sellers are defending the area, $37,752, between the 20-day exponential moving average and the 50-day simple moving average. The bears will now try to push the price down to $31,000, but the 20-day EMA is flattening and the relative strength index, RSI, is above 45, indicating that selling pressure may be easing. A small pullback from current levels will improve the chances of a break above the 50-day SMA, paving the way for a rally to $42,451.67. If the bears sink the price below the $31,000 support, this bullish view will be invalidated. This could lead to a reduction in critical support to $28,000. ETH, USDT. On June 29, ETH broke above the 20-day exponential moving average, $2,170, indicating strength. The bears, on the other hand, wasted no time in dragging the price back below the 20-day EMA today. This indicates that sellers are hesitant to give up their advantage. Daily chart of ETH, USDT. The ETH, USDT pair will try to rise above the 20-day EMA once more if the bulls do not allow the price to fall below $2,000. The pair could rise to the downtrend line if this happens. At this point, the bears will attempt to halt the rally. Contrary to popular belief, if the bears manage to push the price below $2,000, the pair could drop back to the $1,728.74 support level. Retesting a support level over and over tends to weaken it. If the price falls below $1,728.74, selling could become more intense, and the pair could fall to $1,536.92. BNB, USDT. The 20-day EMA, $315, is providing resistance to Binance coin, BNB. The bears will now try to push the price below $264.26, which serves as immediate support. If they succeed, the altcoin could fall to $211.70, which is a critical support level. Daily chart of the BNB, USDT currency pair. TradingView is the source of this information. The negative RSI and downsloping moving averages indicate that the path of least resistance is to the downside. Alternatively, if the price falls below $264.26 again, buyers will try to push the price above the 20-day EMA. The BNB, USDT pair could rise to the 50-day SMA, $369, and then to $433 if they succeed. This level could act as a strong resistance, and if the pair falls below it, it could drop to the 20-day EMA. ADA, USDT. Cardano ADA broke through the 20-day EMA, $1.38, but buyers were unable to keep the price above it. This indicates that the bears are putting forth a strong defense against the resistance. Daily chart of the ADA, USDT currency pair. TradingView is the source of this information. The ADA, USDT pair could fall to $1.20 if the price falls below $1.30. The bulls will most likely buy this dip and try to push the price above the 20-day EMA once more. The pair could rally to the 50-day SMA, $1.57, if they succeed. On the other hand, if the bears manage to push the price below the $1.20 support, the pair may fall to $1. This is a key support to keep an eye on because a break below it could lead to a long liquidation, while a bounce off it could keep the range-bound action going for a few more days. Doge, USDT. For the past 3 days, Dogecoin Doge has been trading near the 20-day EMA 27 cents, but bulls have been unable to push the price above it. This may have prompted short-term traders to book profits, causing the price to fall today. Daily chart of Doge, USDT. TradingView is the source of this information. The Doge, USDT pair could drop to the critical support at 15 cents if the bears sink the price below the 21-cent support. Before panic selling drags the price down to 10 cents, this is the last major support. If the price bounces off the 21-cent support, however, it indicates that bulls are attempting to form a higher low. The buyers will then attempt to push the price above the 20-day EMA one more time. If they are successful, the pair may rise to the 50-day SMA 33 cents, which is just above the head and shoulders pattern's neckline. XRP, USDT. At the 20-day EMA 73 cents, XRP's pullback has hit a brick wall. This indicates that traders are selling on rallies to the overhead resistance levels, implying that sentiment remains negative. Daily chart of XRP, USDT. TradingView is the source of this information. The bears are now attempting to push the price below 58 cents. If they succeed, the XRP, USDT pair could fall to 50 cents, which is a psychological level. This is an important support to keep an eye on because if it gives way, the decline could extend to the descending channel's support line. If the pair rises above 75 cents from its current level or rebounds from 58 cents, this bearish view will be invalidated. The bulls will appear to be trying to make a comeback if they make such a move. After that, the pair may rise to the 50-day SMA 93 cents and then to $1.07. USDT. Polkadot has retreated from the $16.93 resistance level, implying that bears are selling on every minor rally. The bears will now attempt to push the price down to $13. If the price bounces off this support, the altcoins consolidation between $13 and $16.93 could be extended. Daily USDT chart. TradingView is the source of this information. The downsloping moving averages and RSI below 38, on the other hand, suggest that the path of least resistance is down. If bears push the price below $13, the USDT pair may enter the next leg of its downtrend, which could take it to $10 and then $7.50. If the bulls drive the price above the 20-day EMA $18.20, this bearish view will be invalidated. This could lead to a move higher to the 50-day SMA and then $26.50. This level is likely to be aggressively defended by the bears. UNI, USDT. The bulls were able to push the price above the $18.60 resistance, but they couldn't get past the 20-day EMA $19.49. This indicates that bears are still selling UNI on rallies to strong resistance levels. Daily chart of the UNI USDT currency pair. TradingView is the source of this information. The UNI USDT pair could drop to $15 if the price drops from its current level. For a few days, a bounce off this support could keep the pair range bound between $15 and the 20-day EMA. The pair could rise to the 50-day SMA $24.45 if the bulls regroup and push the price above the 20-day EMA. This level may act as stiff resistance once more, but if the bulls can keep the pair above $18.60, the pair could rally to $30. BCH, USDT. The 20-day EMA $537, which is just below the horizontal resistance of $538.11, is providing stiff resistance to Bitcoin Cash BCH. This level is likely to be aggressively defended by the bears. Daily chart of BCH, USDT. TradingView is the source of this information. The BCH, USDT pair could drop to $428.43 and then to $370 if the price falls below this level. For the next few days, a bounce off this support could keep the pair range bound between $370 and $538.11. The 20-day EMA is flattening, and the RSI is above 41, indicating that selling pressure is easing. The pair could gain momentum and rise to the 50-day SMA $690 if bulls push the price above $538.11. LTC, USDT. The 20-day exponential moving average $147 is providing stiff resistance to Litecoin's LTC relief rally. This indicates that traders are selling on rallies to strong resistance levels, implying that sentiment remains negative. LTC, USDT chart on a daily basis. TradingView is the source of this information. If the price falls below the current level, the bears will try to push the LTC/USDT pair below the $118 support level once more. If they succeed, they will have completed a descending triangle pattern. This could increase selling pressure, causing the price to drop to $100 and then to $70. In contrast to this assumption, the bearish setup will be invalidated if the price rises from the current level or rebounds from $118 and breaks above the downtrend line. This may pave the way for a rally to $225. The author's views and opinions are solely his or her own and do not necessarily reflect those of Cryptorelic. Every investment and trading decision entails some level of risk. When making a decision, you should do your own research.